Hey y'all, this is Deja the Diva coming at you with another video. Today's video is a cooking segment, and I am making, let's see if I can show you guys. It's not really warm. The butterfly coconut shrimp. Can you guys see that? Nice and golden. I'll probably bring you over here to see it as soon as I'm ready to do a little bit more over here. What you hear sizzling is my onion, green pepper, roasted red pepper, and garlic. And I have it sauteing. I have it sauteing in a pan with 2 tablespoons of butter. My noodles I went ahead and cooked and used my Alfredo sauce, so that's swimming in that, and it's on low. It's on low in there. Really on low. It's waiting for all those vegetables. And there is the golden coconut butterfly shrimp. So I'm doing the Alfredo. That's what I'm doing today. So I got that going, you guys. Let me see if I can sit you here. I hope you guys can see pretty good. All right. Now, I brought this bread from Whole Foods. It's called Hearth Bread. It's the brown bread, and it was $4.99. It's a pretty big loaf. And I wanted to use this because this tastes just like the bread that you get from like the steakhouses. Like Longhorn or I can't think of the other one's name that I frequent. But yeah, I'm waiting on my onions and stuff to get translucent for any vegetable. When you saute it, it kind of gets that water in the pan because of the water that the vegetable holds. So I try to get all that out and stuff because I don't want Alfredo soup. What I want is, Alfredo noodles. And I use the regular spaghetti noodles. And when I boil, some people crack their spaghetti in half or whatever. I don't. I fill the pot with water. I put about a tablespoon of salt in, and I put about 2 caps of canola oil in. That way, when the noodles are boiling, they don't stick together. I found a solution for that when I was younger, and I was raising my kids. I would always get those noodles that were stuck together like this, and you just had to throw them away. I hated that. So the salt with the combination of the oil, and I don't break mine in half. I like for my noodles to be whole. So I just sit them in the pot, and as the pot cooks the noodles, it shrinks down into the pot. That's how I do mine. And when I'm doing the Alfredo that I'm doing now, I don't cook the noodle all the way. I cook it al dente because it still has to cook in the Alfredo sauce and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. And like I said, this bread is going into the oven, and then when it comes out, I'm going to slice it real, like, not thick, but just about the same thickness or width that steakhouses do it. You know, just enough for the butter to hold so the bread won't fall apart. All right. I want to show you guys these vegetables. I think I'm trying to incorporate vegetables in everything. Look how good that looks. It got the right amount of char. The water content is out of it. And the onions are translucent and they're ready to go in the Alfredo sauce. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sit you guys here. And let me get it. This. And I'm going to put those vegetables in the pot. There's no butter left. There's no water left. So that makes it good. I'm scraping the pan for all that goodness. It smells so yummy, you guys. All right, that is done. All right. So now, all I got to do is mix that up in there. Just fold it. I don't want to break any of the noodles. I don't like, and I guess that's just me being picky. Here, I will move it over there. I'll turn this eye off because this one's bigger. You guys know I'm not working from my kitchen, so I gotta make do with, my mom's kitchen is a little bit smaller than mine. Just a teeny bit. So I've got to fold that in to make sure with every bite that somebody's getting some of those vegetables. Alright. I was kind of tired of using the broccoli in it. And I said, let me just switch it up a bit here. Make it a little bit more flavorful, but still with vegetables. Okay? So, that's what we got going on here. And I'm going to turn that to 2. Just turn that to 2. But, honey, that is what I am having for dinner. Okay. So, that is all done. Guys, see that? See it before the glass lid gets foggy. Looks so good. And then there's our butterfly coconut shrimp. Alright, and there's the bread I'm about to put in the oven. Yum, yum, yum. And of course, the drink of choice, water, water, water. You guys see my hair? Kind of slept on it, and it was in my do-rag, but I just want it. I like it. I like it full. Really full. I created myself a bang. Even though these ones I could have had them go down longer, but I like that it's out my face. I like that it's out my face. Let me put you guys over here where it's a little bit more viewing area. Alright. You guys checking out my waistline? Yes. I don't have my sweatband on today. I just didn't feel like it. Just didn't feel like it. My back is, I'm losing weight in my back, which I'm happy about. So them rolls can go. Yeah, that sweatband is helping. Okay. Let me get my bread in the oven. And then when it comes out, I'm just going to slice it. But it's not going to take it long. I'm going to keep this just in case we have any leftover bread. Put it right here in the bread box with its little zip tie. This is the garlic I used. I didn't use fresh today. That's what I used. I just wanted to show you guys. The roasted red pepper strips. This goes a long way. And this was only $1.89. So I was happy about that find. But let me get this bread in the oven. Top rack. Always turn my my cans upside down when I do spaghetti sauce or anything, just to get that little bit out, just to get it out before I throw away the container. All right. Which those really could be upcycled to make different things, but hey, what you gonna do? You can't keep every one, honey. All right. So that is that. I want to cover up these shrimp. And I don't know about y'all, but if I'm cooking something or covering something and the aluminum foil isn't dirty, I'm reusing it. If it's not ruined, I'm reusing it. So that is that. You guys know I clean as I go. These packets came with the shrimp. I just put them to the side because I don't know if they want to partake in it or not. But I'd rather not partake in that extra sugar. Is it like a chili lime sauce for it? So, you know, it's all well and good. So we got that going on. All the stuff on top of the stove is done. The Alfredo, the shrimp, the bread's in the oven. So that's what we're waiting on now. But while we're waiting, you know me, I'm going to make it do what it do. I'm going to clean up my mess like I always do. I clean as I go. I'm just going to clean this way. I'm not going to create a whole sink of water because I only have a few things in there. And they're not particularly soiled. So just give this a good clean down. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you're following your state's or your county's stay-in policy. I hope if you are an essential worker as I am, that you're working and then staying in. Follow the laws, and this stuff will go by quicker, I'm telling y'all. You follow them laws, and it prevents the spread of this virus. People will get well. The numbers for the death toll will go down. And that's when they start opening up all these cities and stuff. I'm telling y'all. And for you guys that don't know how to take care or cure a cast iron skillet, I'm about to show you. This country girl is about to show you. So, what I'm about to do is wipe this down inside and out. And you get your oil. And you just need a little, I'm just going to say a cap, half a cap. But I can eyeball it because I know what I'm doing. You pour it in the pan. And you run that around the pan. Like so. All the inside. The sides, the bottom, everything. And it'll be oily, but it'll be dry like this. Just shiny. And that's how you keep your cast iron from rusting. I know a lot, do not put your cast iron in a dishwasher. I wouldn't advise it. Wash it by hand. It's one of them old school things where it wasn't made to be put in a dishwasher, okay? But a lot of people wash their cast iron and it gets rusty, they throw it away. They wasted so much money. When you first get one and you do this method, the next step is to put your cast iron in the oven. Put it on about 300 and let it cure. That's what we call curing it. And it gets those oils and stuff down in the cast iron, so you don't have to take so many steps every time you wash it. Okay? So yeah. That is that. Did you learn something today? I hope you did. I hope you did. Quit throwing away that cast iron and take care of it properly. Alright. Clean as I go. Clean as I go. And as you guys can tell, I don't use gloves whenever and you see my nails are staying on. Strong as ever. Very pretty. I've been getting a lot of compliments on my nails. And I'm not going to be one of those ones who run out to the nail salon. As soon as it opens, I'm not standing in the line to get my nails done. I was always taught, don't let somebody else be able to do something like that as far as your personal hygiene for you that you can't do for yourself. So while everybody was going crazy and him-hawing and wondering what's next for their nails and stuff, I was doing my own. I removed the acrylics. And easy peasy, I got full nails and I glued them on. No polishing or anything required because they already had a prepared design color on them. So, and my hair, I started my locks, so I know how to do them. I know how to maintain them. Everything is Gucci, as they say. We'll check on this bread. Alright. That's just about done. Just a little bit warmer. And I shall be done with that. And that is it for our meal today. I hope you guys are staying safe. And continuously wash your hands. If you go out amongst people, even if you live in an apartment building and you go out in the hallway, wear that mask because you don't know who you're going to come in contact with and what they have and what the state of your immune system is at this point. Better to be safe than sorry. Wash those hands, use the sanitizer, wear your mask. Stay in if at all possible. Please stay in, like they say. We want to get this done and over with so our cities can come back to life. Come back to life and life can get, I guess, what will be considered our new normal. But I pray for you guys. You pray for me. I love you guys to life. Please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on the video when you view it. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. This is Deja the Diva, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.